Well, we're getting some requests to try some videos and stuff out, so a little time-lapse thing went good the other night. You can clearly see it's quite a storm day out there. The camera won't really adjust to that, but the shop's packed. Got some stuff on the go. Lower door skin. Got a full skin to do on that tomorrow. Finish up the doors from Carlos and get rid of all this scrap steel. Clean up. That's the big thing. Clean up. Had a buddy over last night giving him a little 101 on some body work and stuff. You can see we ended up playing with the shrink and stretcher. Probably one of my favorite tools in this little garage. You can build some pretty wicked angles, cab corners, transmission tunnels, whatever you like. So like I said, we're gonna try some more videos out. It's a small garage, we do our best, but stay tuned, we'll see what happens. So this video doesn't really go in sequence, but it's just showing you some of the progress on the Bronco that we've made since getting the body back home to Tyler, bringing the parts to my garage, knocking out the bodywork and whatnot. So hope you enjoy it. It does look way like. So as some of you followed on Facebook land and whatnot, we had quite a time getting the original medium desert tan. So here's actually the inner doors done in a single stage so we could camera it and get a base coat, clear coat, which actually came up in Nissan color, but it is dead on. Shout out to the guys at Napa, mainly Jeff up there in Fredericton. Great job on getting us a color match. So thanks for taking the time. This is hopefully the first of many videos to come along, and don't forget to check out Sloat Shine Shop on Facebook.